Okay, this is G. Venkateswara Rao, Assistant Professor in Department of CSC, CIET. We continuing with Python programming, development tools in Python. Basic tools for developers are Beware. Beware is more than just a tool. In fact, it is a toolbox to help develop and debug software in Python. The big difference between Beware and an IDE, integrated development environment, is that each tool in that box can be used independently from each other. Constructor. The user interface consists of a set of separate tools and to create and debug applications developed with Python. Python have constructor that is user interface. Create and debug applications developed with Python. Python tools for Visual Studio. First open Visual Studio and start new project from File, the new project, and under Python you will see Get Python tools for Visual Studio. In Visual Studio Python tools are there. We will open File, new project, and under Python we will see Get Python tools for Visual Studio. This is how to Python tools open in Visual Studio. Python application 1, the name of the application, Python application 1, Microsoft Visual Studio. This is the menu bar is there, file, edit, view, project, etc. These are the menu bar. In that, print hello world. Print is a function, default function, predefined function. Whenever we execute Python programs like this. Next, Python calendar example. This Python calendar example accepts year and month as input variables. Input calendar, year equal int of input, please enter the year number. Month equal to int of input, please enter the month number. Print calendar dot month, year, month. Import calendar. The year and month, date, etc. Functions are stored in calendar module. Calendar is a module. Like that in C programming, header files are there. Like that, calendar is a module. Year equal to year is a variable int function, and again input function. Int is a type, data type. We are giving what type of data for that year, that is integer type. Input function is there. Input function is a user defined function in Python programming. Please enter the year and the number, month. This is the Python calendar example. We are giving two inputs, year and month. Here see here, please enter the year number, that is number 2016 is entered, and please enter the month number 2, that is in calendar, months are stored in numbers like 1 to 12. One is January, second is February, etc. February 2016 calendar as the output output. Next, Python variables. Python variables must begin with small a to z, capital A to z, or underscore. Python variables names can be must follow these rules. Every Python variable must begin with small a to small z, any character, small characters, and also any capital characters, capital A to capital Z, or underscore. Python variables are case sensitive. Case sensitive is nothing but the difference between small and capital. Python variables can be any reasonable length, that is depends upon user convenience. Keywords are not used. Keywords are not used as variable names. Variable name is stated with only letter and underscore. Variable name is only letter and underscore. Examples: @A equal to 20, invalid syntax. Variable name starts with number or letter only. Next, assignment operator. Associating a value with a variable using the assignment operator, that is equal to, is called as binding. Binding is nothing but assign a value to a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to variables. The operand to the left of the equal to operator is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right to the equal to operator is the value stored in the variable. Example HP equal to 764, an integer assignment. HP is a variable name assigned a value that is equal to 764. Calorie equal to 4.2. Calorie is the name of the variable and assigned 4.2, that is floating point value. Department equal to EEE. Department is a variable assigned a value EEE. In between the single quotes. In single quotes, we place any characters, that is called a string. Print HP calorie department. Output. Print is a print statement. Result 764, that is the HP. HP is assigned a value 764, that 764 displayed, and calorie equal 4.2, that is 4.2, and the department is assigned a value EEE, that display EEE. Next, multiple assignment. Python allows you to assign a single value to several variables simultaneously. Example, number 1 equal, number 2 equal, number 3 equal to 100. We can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables. This is called multiple assignment. See this, value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 equal 999 24.789 comma Python. Here integer value is there and floating point value is there and string value is there. In Python is this flexibility, not in C programming or other programming language this facility have not. Print value 1, print value 2, print value 3, output 999 integer type 24.789 floating point, and Python is a string value.